Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Then scroll down to the very bottom to find more security and privacy settings, and here in the security simply tap on encryption and credentials. As you can see, almost at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. And not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.